Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Rose Bridge, a quiet hamlet nestled within the city of Gaspe, Quebec. The area is characterized by its serene landscapes, gentle hills, and proximity to the water, offering picturesque views and a peaceful atmosphere. With an elevation of approximately 24 meters, the terrain is relatively flat, making it accessible and easy to explore. The broader Gaspe area has been inhabited for thousands of years, originally by indigenous peoples, including the Mi'kmaq. European exploration began in the 16th century, with Jacques Cartier landing on the Gaspé Peninsula in 1534. Over the centuries, the region developed through fishing, forestry, and later tourism, contributing to its diverse cultural heritage. Today, Rose Bridge remains a small, close-knit community that reflects the quiet charm and natural beauty of rural Quebec. As we drive through Rose Bridge, take a moment to appreciate the tranquil surroundings and the subtle blend of history and nature that define this charming corner of Quebec.
Thanks for watching!